Why are your eyes so big? Tell me. But you shouldn't make neon pets at midnight in a dummy. Otherwise then it will turn out really bad. Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox Adopt Me video, and today we're going to be making some more neons. I'm going to be merging 5 more neons. I'm going to be doing the robin, the chicken, the wolf, the dingo, and the kitsune. If you want to find out how to age up pets quickly, watch my video here. Okay, let's go to the neon cave to make more neon pets. Fly my kitsune on the way. Fly my kitsune on the way. A lot of people prefer to ride it, but I like to fly it. So the neon cave is underneath this bridge. No, I don't want to ice skate. Oh. So the first thing we're going to do is make a robin. So the robin is the second last pet that I ever had. So I'll put it there. I had more neon pets, but I'm going to trade it in for some more neon pets. For some more rare pets. What's it going to be? What's it? I think it's going to be orange! Its chest is orange. I thought it was going to be glowing red. But that looks so cute! So now let's do a chicken. And also, if your pet is fly or ride, or you put any potion on it, then it will carry over to the neon. But you shouldn't make neon pets at midnight in a dummy. Otherwise then it will turn out really bad. I'm just joking. Red! I love you. Luckily, red is my favorite color. Red and cyan. I love you. Red is my actually favorite Christmas color. Okay, let's do the wolf now, which is here. And I also have lots of alt accounts. I use my alt account to age up the pets and then trade them to the account that I'm going to be making neon. I have a neon wolf! Well, I don't think I do have one, but I knew it was going to be blue. So the mouth and the ears and the tail and the feet are neon. Even the tummy. Oh, and this is the favorite blue that I love. I love any blue, but my most favorite blue is cyan. Pink, purple, and cyan are my favorite colors. Can I ride you? No. It's not flyable or rideable yet. But I'll make it later. So we're going to make 2 more neons. Dingo. So let's make dingo, dingo, dingy, dingo. And the third pet I got that was rare was a beaver. to be... Wait. Oh wait, that confused me. A greenish yellowish dingo! It's like a lime color. Where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Stop. Stop. Dingo. You're so cute! No. You're so cute! You're so cute! I love you! Your eyes are very big though. Why are your eyes so big? Tell me. The final pet is Kitsune. Where's my Kitsune? Oh, here. Yeah. Here's my Kitsune. So one of my Kitsune is fly and ride, so I'm going to be able to ride and fly it when it's neon. But I can still fly it now. The one on the pink one is the fly and ride one. Okay, last Kitsune. It's going to be a fly and ride, but I think it's going to be pink, maybe. It's blue! Oh my god. Wait, I've actually seen someone have a blue Kitsune. Like I've seen someone have a neon Kitsune. But my dream pet is a frost fairy that's mega neon and also fly and ride. So in my inventory, I've got 3 frost fairies that 2 of them are rideable. And I just need 1 more to make a neon. Let's go! Bye, make your neons. Oops, I glitched out of the world. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. So I'm doing a neon pet giveaway, and if you want to enter, watch this video here or here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Connect the hearts.